Okay, welcome back to Don's Cookbook. You guys have been asking for a really simple dinner recipe. Here it is. We're going to start off with 3 pounds of beef and pork mince, a handful of crusty Italian bread, and a handful of parsley. Just blitz that all up together until it's nice and fine. Straight into a bowl, and then we're going to pour over some nice fresh milk. The reason we do this is to get the meatloaf nice and juicy. This makes all the difference in the world, and it is an absolute must step to do. Squeeze out as much milk as you can and just crumble it in to the meat. This recipe really is perfect for anyone that wants a weeknight meal, doesn't want to put in a lot of effort, but still wants to make a lot of food in a really short span of time. Also, it doesn't make much mess, as you don't need any additional pans, knives, all this sort of stuff. Alright, next, this one is optional, but a step I definitely love to do. Some nice fresh mozzarella cheese, crumbled in, purely for flavour here guys, but it is a nice touch. Next up, some fried onions, a bit of garlic and tomato paste. If you want to fry it in the pan like I did, go for it. If you can't be bothered frying it in a pan, simply put it in raw. Alright, 2 cracked eggs and a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. You might be thinking this is a lot of cheese and this and that, but you have to remember this is going to make a very generous portion and can be split amongst many meals over many days. Alright, next up, some freshly ground black pepper and a really good drizzle of olive oil. Alright, next, get yourself some gloves if you prefer, just like I do, and mix it all together. We want to make sure everything is evenly incorporated into this. The eggs worked all the way through, onions worked all the way through, and it looks like one big ball like this. Some foil on an oven tray with a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to try to basically shape this into a bread loaf, okay? Take your time, doesn't have to look super pretty, but try to make it even so it does cook evenly. Okay, a nice drizzle of olive oil, and then this is going in the oven for 1.5 hours at 200 degrees Celsius, which is about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you go. An hour and a half later, we have a delicious dinner ready to go. Serves many people, goes with many things. You can throw some baked potatoes in on the side, serve it up with some pasta, maybe some vegetables. Even a salad in summertime is beautiful. And that's it. Cut it up, portion it out as you like, and you're ready to go. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.